Felipe Massa is 100% right in his request for justice. Why nobody is talking about a similar incident in 2021 when with a similar intentional accident caused by Mick Schumacher Lewis Hamilton lost his 8th World Championship title to Max Verstappen. This was once more orchestrated by the FIA and the corrupt Formula One owned by the Liberty media. Formula One is no different than fixed horse races and Vegas boxing events. There is a huge betting business in F1 and money talks. Formula One has become a corrupt business and is no longer a sporting event. The shadows behind Formula One, unveiling injustice and corruption. In the high-speed world of Formula One racing, where exhilaration meets precision, controversies often lurk in the shadows, casting doubt on the fairness and integrity of the sport. Recently, Felipe Massa, a former Formula One driver, has brought attention to a disturbing trend within the sport: the apparent lack of justice in addressing intentional accidents that affect championship outcomes. Massa's plea for justice not only highlights the need for accountability, but also sheds light on broader concerns regarding the transparency and fairness of Formula One. In 2021, a strikingly similar incident occurred involving Mick Schumacher, Lewis Hamilton, and Max Verstappen. The deliberate collision orchestrated by Schumacher ultimately resulted in Hamilton losing his chance at securing his 8th World Championship title to Verstappen. However, unlike Massa's case, this incident did not receive the same level of scrutiny and outcry from the Formula One community. The lack of acknowledgement and action from the governing body, the FIA, raises questions about their commitment to upholding fairness and justice in the sport. It's not just about one incident. It's about the pattern of behavior and the underlying issues plaguing Formula One. Massa's request for justice serves as a reminder of the deeper systemic problems within the sport, where questionable decisions and inconsistencies undermine the credibility of competitions. Formula One, once celebrated for its thrilling races and talented drivers, now finds itself mired in allegations of corruption and manipulation. The allegation that Formula One resembles fixed horse races or manipulated boxing events is a damning indictment of the sport's current state. The insinuation that money and vested interest hold sway over fair competition tarnishes the image of Formula One as a legitimate sporting event. While there may be no concrete evidence of direct interference, the mere suggestion of such malpractice erodes public trust and confidence in the integrity of Formula One. Moreover, the intertwining of the betting industry with Formula One further complicates matters. With billions of dollars at stake, the temptation for manipulation and foul play looms large. The convergence of financial interests with sporting outcomes raises concerns about potential conflicts of interest and the prioritization of profit over fair competition. In light of these revelations, it is imperative for Formula One to undertake a thorough examination of its governance structures and regulatory mechanisms. Transparency, accountability, and fairness must be upheld at every level of the sport, from race stewardship to championship decisions. The FIA, as the custodian of Formula One's integrity, must demonstrate unwavering commitment to addressing concerns and enforcing justice without fear or favor. Furthermore, Formula One stakeholders, including teams, drivers, sponsors, and fans, have a crucial role to play in demanding accountability and reform. Collective pressure and advocacy can compel the necessary changes to restore confidence in Formula One as a fair and reputable sporting competition. Silence or complacency in the face of injustice only perpetuates the status quo and emboldens those who seek to exploit the sport for personal gain. In conclusion, Felipe Massa's plea for justice resonates far beyond his personal experience, serving as a wake-up call for Formula One to confront its demons. The parallels drawn between Massa's case and subsequent incidents underscore the urgent need for reform and reaffirmation of the sport's core values. Formula One must heed this call to action and reclaim its integrity as a beacon of sporting excellence, free from the shadows of corruption and manipulation.